This is a 96 Kenworth T300. Another video I was showing you about the steering gearbox. So I'm going to show you where I got it back on the truck here. It's a Sheppard M100 PDQ1. In my other video I was showing you how to get the arm off and the mounting bolts. And right here you can see it a little bit better where it bolts to the frame. There's a bolt and a bolt there and a bolt there. You'll have to put a wrench back behind it in order to get to hold it still whenever you're taking it off, and it's easiest with the impact. But the two hydraulic lines, there's one here and there, that whenever you put it back together, just make sure you don't strip them out, get them snug, and then you got your steering shaft right here that you'll put in a little keyhole. Now whenever you're putting this back on, you'll see the little timing mark, and I talked about that in my other video. Make sure you torque it down to 350 foot-pounds. And then down here at the tie rod, make sure you get that torque down, get your wheel drift key through there. And then once you get everything back together, fill up the reservoir with some ATF fluid and turn the wheels far left and far right. I usually do it quite a few times to try to bleed all the air out, and then once you do it a few times, check the level again, maybe put some more fluid in there, and then and then you'll see the level drop on it. So I probably do it about a dozen times before I decide to start up the truck, because you want to make sure that everything's full of fluid before you start it up. And once you get everything full, then check the level. And right here there's a little dipstick in here. I'll show you. You see the dipstick right there where you can check the level at. But anyway, steering box is back on the truck, and he'll be getting back on the road this afternoon. And hope you like my video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them and I'll try to get to them. Other than that, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.